today's video tutorial, we're going to learn how to crochet this cute little snowflake ornament. The only thing you'll need for this is a crochet hook. This is a 3.75 and I have baby weight yarn, which is a size 3. You need a pair of scissors, a darning needle, and if you have Elmer's glue, that would be great because it'll you can harden up your snowflake so it'll be nice and stiff. So go ahead and gather up your materials and I'll meet you right back here. Okay, we're going to start out by doing a magic circle, and then you're going to do a chain of 3. 1, 2, and 3. Then you're going to do 2 double crochet inside the circle. 1, 2. Then you're going to chain 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Do 3 double crochet inside the circle. Chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 double crochet inside the circle again. 1, 2, and 3. Chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you're going to do 3 more double crochet inside the circle. 1, 2, 3, and then right now we have 4 sets of the 3 double crochet. You need 5, so you're going to chain 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. You're going to do your last set of the 3 double crochet. It's 1, 2, and let me pull that string a little. Do my last double crochet. Then chain 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. You're going to pull on your loop to close up the hole. And then you are going to do a slip stitch in the top of the 3rd chain. And then you're going to do 2 more slip stitches across the top of those double crochets, and then you're going to do a slip stitch into the chain 4 space. Then you're going to chain 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and you're going to slip stitch into that chain 4 space. Then you're going to chain 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. You're going to slip stitch into that chain 4 space. And you're going to chain 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Slip stitch into that chain 4. And then we're going to do 3 slip stitches across here. So you're going to do a slip stitch in each of those double crochets. 1, 2, 3. And you're going to slip stitch into that chain 4 space. And we're going to do our little clusters again. Going to do a chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Slip stitch into that chain 4 space. Chain 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. I kind of move it over so I'll have room. And slip stitch into that chain 4 space. Chain 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Slip stitch into that chain 4 space. And you're going to do your 3 slip stitches 1, 2, 3, then you're going to slip stitch into that chain 4 space. 1, 2, 3, and 4, slip stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Do another slip stitch. Chain 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Do another slip stitch. Then you're going to do your slip stitches across those double crochets again. 1, 2, and 3. I'm sorry if I'm getting out of the camera. And then slip stitch into that chain 4. I'm going to chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, slip stitch. Chain 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Slip stitch. Chain 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Slip stitch. I'm going to do your slip stitches crossed. Oops. Slip stitch in the chain 4, and we're going to do our last set of little clusters. 1, 2, 3, 4, slip stitch. Chain 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Slip stitch. Chain 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Slip stitch. And here you don't have to slip stitch across. I usually just stop right here, cut off your yarn, go ahead and finish it off like that. And I'm going to weave in my tail. And I usually just weave it on down through this way and kind of meet the middle tail where we started the magic circle. And then I'll tie it in a knot. And then I'll weave these back through so they can't be seen. And what I usually do to stiffen these up is I'll take half of equal parts, half Elmer's glue, half water, and just make sure they're equal parts. And then I'll brush it on my snowflake. But what I do before I brush it on is I get some foam board or whatever you can use for your stick pins, and I'll show you it. I'll show you how I do it in a second. Let me get this last tail weaved in. Trying to get ahead of myself. And then you just take a piece of yarn and thread it through there, and you've got your little snowflake. But get some type of foam board or anything and some stick pins, and just stick down like one there, one here, kind of stretch it out. And then you take your glue mixture and just brush it on your snowflake until it dries. And then I'll usually turn it over and I'll do the back too, and it makes it nice and stiff. But anyway, that's like my little 5-minute snowflake, and it's pretty simple to do. It's really cute if you want to just throw some quick little ornaments on your tree. But yeah, that's what I did. That's what I've been doing tonight. So, and I got a couple more to do. But anyway, hope you like it. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.